Good everyone, it's MJ23Dan back with another video. Today's video I have a pickup and it's from the homie Christian, aka at XTN. If you guys are interested, you can follow him on Twitter and Instagram. Been a homie since way back, like the Soul Collector forum days, and we look out for each other at times. Actually, he does a lot more for me than I do for him, and I'm sorry, I will do better, but I know your size, and if any pairs come up, yeah, definitely. But anyways, this is a pair that I was kind of on the fence of. So the story goes back to Complex Con. Complex Con, they released the gold top 3 Air Jordan 1s. And I was at Complex Con. I stood in lines, in the line to get that pair, like 3 hours. And, you know, I'm about, I don't know, I would say maybe like 25 people from the like front, and then they said that they were gonna sell out, and that sucked. Like, wasted my time. Anyways, I've been like butting heads with myself about getting the gold toe ones because I thought it would be like a B grade basically of the gold top 3. Then I started seeing more pictures, then I got this offer and the homie came through. So let me go ahead and show you up close what they look. Black metallic gold. I always get interrupted by like phone calls or like text messages. Oh, she's at work right now. This is her husband. Can I take a message? Sure. Alright, no problem. Thank you. Anyways, here they are. Wow, they look amazing. So I was able to see the gold top 3 in person, and I really don't see too much difference other than the gold toe and the mismatch. A lot of people have, you know, hit me up about them in the comments. Hit me up in the comments and were like, yeah, we like these better. We like the gold toe ones better. The mismatch ones, the top 3s are still going on StockX for about 500 plus. And these, they're going for around half that price on resale. So the homie Christian hooked it up for retail. And, you know, whenever somebody helps me out, I throw a little bit extra. You know, you got to. You put in the work, I'm going to help you out too. So anyways, yeah, completely patent leather all the way around. And, you know, some people also weren't feeling patent leather on Air Jordan 1. So this is pretty much like a throwback, so to speak, of the early 2000s black patent 1. So I know a lot of people like that shoe, and it's pretty much a classic now, and that was completely patent leather as well. The thing about patent leather though is that it does crease up, and if you know like authentic, like, you know, like real patent leather, like stuff on the Rand of the Air Jordan 11, like the OG, that stuff creased up real bad, like to the point where if you were walking on them, this toe piece right here, right at the corner, it would crease like really bad, and every time you took that step, it would just like be a bothersome. But with these, I'm not too sure. You know, these are gonna be synthetics, so you know, you let me know in the comments section if you guys have the gold toe ones. Let me know how they're creasing up, how you're beating them up, if you are beating them up, and how they're working out for you. But you know, I'm happy. I think I made a wise decision. You know, I couldn't pass up retail. He was offering them, and I took the bait. So anyways, shout out to the homie Christian. Let me go ahead and get you guys some detailed photos and up close shots of the sneaker.